Well, the Zippo truck has been stuck in Florida, so they got the USPS to deliver this Zippo. And you can see they delivered it by first class mail. And it was done in record time. It was done in 2 days instead of the 3-day first class mail. So let's take a look at this Zippo. Now this one comes in the normal black Zippo box, made in the USA, Bradford, PA. And this one is a Sons of Anarchy. And it has a couple of spanner wrenches in there. Let's take a closer look at the box. It's got a special Sons of Anarchy insert. Has a little bit of a blurb on there. So it'll be a semi-collectible. Now this is on a black matte finish. Real good sound because it's on a brass case that was made in F of 14. I think that's July of 14. It's got a real good sound, but it's got a steel insert. Now I've asked Zippo to put brass inserts inside of brass cases. Lights up real good. So that is another Sons of Anarchy, pretty good Zippo for my collection. We'll put him over here for now. And I think he deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.